Hi everybody, and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge your speaker using your phone. Although the speaker is that big, we can charge it using our phone. We just have to prepare ourselves a cable, which is USB Type-C to C cable, and a phone that supports reverse charging. Almost every phone with the USB and Type-C supports that, so don't worry. Here I do have the cable, and we have to plug the cable into our phone, and then we have to take the speaker and find this thing here. We have to open this cover. It may be difficult from this perspective, so let me do it off camera. And I did this, and here we have to find the charging port. It's over here actually. I have to plug here our cable here, and now our speaker will start charging, as you can see. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.